Yeah, see it here, you know. Chuck, holy chuck. Back down, master. Top walk. See it there? Two we are going to away. Wrecker can't take you up. Eh? When I put it on the wrecker take it up there. The man are doing work there. Wrecker take it up. Yeah. Herb doing company. And them on the wrecker base blame. I take up the truck. As you know, truck that carry truck. Ay, sir. Truck I take up truck. Truck I take up truck, yeah, a road, yeah. You believe that? Truck them a pass through, you see it? Yeah. Highway to hell, 401. Yeah. Anything is possible. Highway to hell, 401. Chuck I take up truck. I'm making my highway to hell video, boss. Highway to hell, truck. This is the highway to hell. Yep. See it here? 401, anything possible. See me truck there? Yeah. Then truck take up truck, that's it. Yeah. The man there doing work, you know, man, sir. Them man there the big truck. Wrecker man them out the road there, you know. Them man there running wrecker business. Herb. Yeah. See the man tie you up and chain you up. Yeah. This is it. I go put on all the things on the front. But watch out them place and a truck, vehicle, truck a fly past them, man. Watch out. Yeah. I should have left here so long time, but you don't know you go. Yeah. Oh man, in there, man. Whoa. Hey. I'll leave this one too, no?
No, you have to leave that
Yeah?
one.
No?
No.
Oh.
That way when you get there, your battery won't be dead.
Yeah, yeah. Whoa. You know, man. Man, you do automatic business in a bridging. Look there. Chuck on the front. Chuck rock down. Yeah. Wrecker pick up me this morning, brother. Wrecker pick up my truck this morning. Don't know. Wrecker pick up my truck this morning, you see? Yeah, man. Wrecker we say pick me up this morning, you see? Don't know. Wrecker we say don't know a thing go. They're on the road, you see? My lad. Yo, I reckon I take it up this morning. Aye, my lad. Yes, sir. I got going out the road here this morning, you know, from 11 o'clock. From 11 o'clock last night, but there, so till now. Yeah, man. Don't know where you go. Record business is not an easy business. Them take some time before they come pick up your vehicle, you see. They come to big truck. Especially one little snow that fall out last night, so kind of make the thing go long, you know? Yeah, man. Don't know. See how road still. Yeah, man. Don't forget to like and subscribe, yeah? And hit the bell. Poing! If you want to get a notification when we put up a new video, you don't know. Yo, Blandy Diego, goalie, Willie, at the place, you don't know the thing go. White boy Gary, bless up with yourself. My lad.
Ay, Chano, my lad.